Welcome to Narayan P College online classes. In the previous episode, we already completed photoelectric effect and the related formulas what we are using in this photoelectric effect. In this today's episode, we will discuss the problems on the photoelectric effect only. See, already I have written one question on the board only. The threshold frequency nu naught for a metal is 7.0 into 10 power 14 second inverse. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron emitted when radiation of the frequency nu is equal to 1.0 into 10 power 15 second inverse hits the metal only. They asking here what? They asking what is the kinetic energy of the molecule? They asking. What is given here? The threshold frequency given, that is nu naught. Nu naught given 7.0 into 10 power 14 second inverse we have. And one more, the frequency nu is given, that is 1.0 into 10 power 15. This is also given what ma? Second inverse only. So they asking here kinetic energy. So generally kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, or you can write here h into nu minus nu naught only. Already discussed yesterday formulas here. So h into nu naught minus u, what do you take here? Kinetic energy Ke is equal to h into nu minus nu naught you are taking. What is the h here? H is the Planck's constant. So x is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34. This is a joule second only. Now we can substitute all the values in this formula. Then what you will get here? Ke is equal to 6.625 into, this is 10 power minus 34, this is joule second, into, what is the formula we have? Nu minus nu naught only. What is the new value we have? This is 1.0 into 10 power 15 minus, what is the value of nu naught we have? This is 7.0 into 10 power 14 second inverse is there. So second inverse here what is there? You can take the second inverse like this, and here second inverse and second is cancel here. Then what you will get ma? Here 6.625 into, this is 10 power minus 34, we have joule is there. Now we will see here 10 power 14, here 10 power 15. Can I write this in 10 into 10 power 14? I will write this one 10 into 10 power 14 minus 7.0 into, this is 10 power 14 only. Now we will get here 6.625 into, this is 10 power minus 34, joule already there. I took the 10 power 14 common. Then what I will get ma? I will get here 10 minus 7 only. I will write this one 6.625 into, this is 10 power minus 34, and this is 10 power 14 into 3 will get on. Clear? You can multiply this 3 with 6.625. 3 5s are 15, 1, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 19 into, this is what you will get ma? 10 power minus 20 joules. So this is what? This is the kinetic energy only. In the problem they asking kinetic energy. What is the value got here? 19.875 into 10 power minus 20 joules. So this is the first question from which one based on what? Photoelectric effect only. So the second question we have, electrons are emitted with zero velocity from a metal surface when it is exposed to the radiation of the wavelength 6000 angstrom units. Calculate the threshold frequency and the work function only. So the velocity is given 0 and the wavelength is given. Wavelength is given, that is lambda, that is equal to 6800 angstrom units only. So this angstrom units you can convert them into what ma? Meters only. You can write here 6800 into 10 power minus 10 meter. How can I write here? 68 into 10 power minus 8 meter only. Already can convert this wavelength into meter only. Okay. They asking what? Threshold frequency, that means nu naught is equal to how much? And one more they asking here work function. Work function means what ma? W they asking how much they asking. These are the two questions they asking only, threshold frequency and the work function only. So here generally you know one formula. What is the formula we have? E is equal to, generally you know, E is equal to W plus kinetic energy, you know the formula. Clear? So here I will write E is equal to, what is W ma? W means what here? H nu naught plus Ke. What is Ke ma? Generally Ke is equal to half mv square only. Half mv square. I will write here half mv square. Here the velocity given, velocity is how much ma? 0. So velocity 0 means what you will get ma? Here you will get h is equal to h nu naught plus half into m into 0 square. Then what you will get ma? Here E is equal to h nu naught only. Generally what is E? E means h nu only na. Can I write here h nu is equal to what ma? H nu naught only. H nu is equal to what ma? H nu naught. From this you will write h's cancel, then you will get here nu is equal to nu naught only. They asking what? Threshold frequency. Nu is equal to nu. What is nu ma? Nu is equal to what? C by lambda only. Now here nu naught is equal to velocity of light. This is 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse by what is the wavelength of light we have? Wavelength given here 68 into, this is 68 into 10 power minus 8 meter only. Here meter cancel. Then nu naught you will get here 3 by 68 into, this is 10 power 16 second inverse you will get on. Second inverse you will get. Now we can see the calculation part we have. What are the value we have? So here 3 by 60 will get 0.0441 into 10 power 16 second inverse only. So nu naught is equal to, can multiply this one with 100. What you will get here? 4.41 into 10 power 14 second inverse only. This is what? Threshold frequency. So one is over threshold frequency and another one they asking here work function only. So work function W is equal to h nu naught. You know this one. So W is equal to, what are the h value ma? 6.625 into, this is 10 power minus 34 joule second into, and you can multiply this one what ma? 4.14 into 10 power 14 second inverse only. So second inverse second you cancel here. The remaining value what we have, this is 6.625 into, this is 4.14 into, I will get here 10 power minus 20 joules only. Here 34 is there, 14 is there, what you will get? 10 power minus 20 only. So you can multiply the 6.625 into 4.14, you will get here 29.22. This is a 29.22 into 10 power minus 20 joules only. So this is a calculation of the work function. And one more, threshold frequency. So this is the question number 2 we have. So the next question we have, the threshold wavelength of a metal is given 230 nanometers, and what will be the kinetic energy of a photoelectron ejected when the metal is irradiated with the wavelength 180 nanometers and H is given 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule second only. What they asking from the problem? They asking kinetic energy. They asking kinetic energy, and the threshold wavelength of the metal is given. That means lambda naught is given. Lambda naught we have 230 nanometers only. Will write here 230 into 10 power minus 9 meter. This is lambda naught, and lambda also given. The wavelength, the metal is irradiated with the wavelength, that is lambda, that is equal to 180 nanometers. You will write this one 180 into 10 power minus 9 meter only. Clear? Now what is the formula we can use here? You know one formula here, that means what my E is equal to W plus kinetic energy formula, you know. E means what my h nu, that is equal to h nu naught plus what? Ku only. Ku you can write Ke is equal to h nu minus h nu naught only. So Ke is equal to what you will write here? Hc by lambda minus hc by lambda naught only. Clear? Now here Ke is equal to hc, suppose you are taking common, what we have 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda not only. Clear? So kinetic energy Ke is equal to, what are the H value? 6.625 into, this is 10 power minus 34 joule second into velocity of the light we have 3 into 10 power 8 meter second inverse. This is clear. So I'll write it is H value. This is what man? This is the value of H we have, or this is the value of which one we have? CO only. Already we have the lambda value is there and lambda naught is there. You can substitute the values in this formula. I will write here kinetic energy is equal to 6.625 into, this is 10 power minus 34 joule is there, into this is 3 into 10 power 8 second inverse here, second cancel here, then what you get here? 3 into 10 power 8 meter. You will write here 1 by, what is the lambda we have? 180 into 10 power minus 9. This is 180 into 10 power minus 9 by 1 by we have 230 into 10 power minus 9 only. Clear? So I'll write this one. This is 6.625 into, this is 3 into 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 8 only. Can I take the common here? 10 power minus 9 here. So you'll write here 1 by 10 power minus 9 common you can take. What you will get my here? 1 by 180 minus 1 by 230 only. So from this I will write here 6 point, this is 625 into, and this is 3 into 10 power minus 34 into, this is 10 power 8 into, I will write this one 10 power 9. Yes, I will change the position. Clear? Okay, you can do the LCM. What you will get my here? You will get here 230 minus 180 by, what you will get ma? 180 into what here? 230 only. 180 into what? 230. So I will write this one 6.625 into, this is 3 into, you can see here 9 is 17, here 17 we have 34. I will get here 10 power minus 10 power minus 17 into what we have ma? This is 50 by 180 into what ma? 230 only. 180 by 230. Just to get into the calculation part, you will get kinetic energy for this molecule. See this calculation part, this is minus 34, here 8 to 9 is 17, this plus 17, this is minus 34, you will get minus 17 only. Here 230 minus 180, you will get 50 by 180 into 230. Then you can see, you can multiply this 6.625 into 3, what you will get here? 19.875 into, this is 10 power minus 17. If you do this part calculation, that 50 by, you can multiply this one, you will get 41400. So you will get what is the value? 0.00120. This 0.00120 into 19.875, you will get 0.02385 into 10 power minus 17 only. So I will write this one 2.385 into 10 power minus 19 joules, or you can write 2.4 also can write. 2.4 into 10 power minus 19 joules. What is the calculation here? We are finding the kinetic energy of the metal you are finding only. So this is example 3 we have. See the next question we have, when a certain metal was irradiated with a light of frequency, that is 3.2 into 10 power 16 hertz, the photoelectron emitted had twice the kinetic energy. Twice the kinetic energy as did photoelectrons are emitted when the same metal was irradiated with a light of frequency, that is 2.0 into 10 power 16 hertz. Calculate the nu naught for the metal. What is given first? A metal irradiated with the light of frequency. So metal frequency is there, that is 3.2 into 10 power 16 hertz only. The photoelectrons are emitted. What are the photoelectrons are emitted? They are having a twice the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy becomes 2 times only. And did the photoelectrons emitted when the same metal was irradiated with a light of frequency? How much we have? 2.0 into 10 power 16 hertz. Calculate the nu naught for the metal. Okay. So they are asking what ma? Nu naught they are asking only. You know one formula, kinetic energy K is equal to H into nu minus nu naught only. H into nu minus what ma? Nu naught only. From this you will write here nu minus nu naught is equal to, you will write Ke by H only. Ke by what ma? H we have. Generally they given Ke2 is equal to 2 Ke1 only. Ke8 is equal to what ma? 2 Ke1 only. Suppose you are taking here nu2 minus nu naught is equal to, I will write here Ke2 by h. You can take here equation 1 we have, and from more you can write here nu1 minus nu naught is equal to, I will write here Ke1 by h. This is the equation 2 I am taking. But what is Ke2 ma? Ke2 is equal to what? 2 Ke1 only. So I will write this equation 1 again like this. Nu2 minus nu naught is equal to, I will write here 2 Ke1 by h. Okay. So the equation you can convert like this only. So if you want to take equation 1 and equation 2, I will write here equation 1 by equation 2 I am writing on. What is equation 1 ma? You will write here nu2 minus nu naught by, what you will get my here? Nu1 minus nu naught, that is equal to 2 Ke1 by h into here h by, you will write Ke1 only. So here h cancel, here K1 cancel, then what you will get my here? Nu2 minus nu naught is equal to, what you will get ma? Nu1 minus nu naught into what? 2 we have. From this you will write nu2 minus nu naught is equal to, you will write here 2 nu1 minus what you will get ma? Here 2 nu naught only. Just to multiply this one, nu2 minus nu naught is equal to 2 nu1 minus 2 nu naught only. We can separate terms here. Nu2 minus 2 nu1 is equal to minus nu naught. 2 nu1 minus nu naught is equal to nu naught only. What you can find out here? We can find out the threshold frequency only. What are the nu naught? 1 is given. Nu1 is equal to, this is 2 into 10 power 16 h we have. And one more nu2 we have. This is 3.2 into 10 power 16 h we have. This you can substitute the values here. Nu naught is equal to 2 nu1 minus nu2, that is 2 into 2 power 16 minus, this is 3.2 into 10 power 16 only. This is 4 into 10 power 16. This is, you can write here 3.2 into 10 power 16 only. So you will get 0.8 into 10 power 16. From this you will write here 8 into 10 power 15 only. 8 into 10 power 15. So what is the threshold frequency? They are asking the threshold frequency you got here 8 into 10 power 15 only. This is the answer for this question. You can write here, this is in the form of what? Hertz, or you can write second inverse one. So the next concept we have spectra, or you can call it a spectrum also. How we can observe the spectrum means here, we have to pass a white light. The white light can be passed through the prism. The white light can be split into different colors only. These colors you can observe on the photographic plate only. Okay, the splitting of white light into 7 colors in presence of a medium is called as spectrum only. The device which is used to record the spectrum is called as what here? Spectrometer. And the phenomena, what the study we are calling as, the study we are calling as a spectroscopy only. Okay, the white light can be split into what ma? 7 different colors only, that we are calling as a spectrum, and the process we are calling as a dispersion only. The splitting of white light. The splitting of a white light into seven colors. 7 colors means you are getting from violet to red only. Violet to red generally is called a spectrum only. Okay, so we have the source of light. What is the source of light? We have a white light is there. Okay, and we have to pass this white light through a small slit only. Here light we are passing. This light we are passing through a small slit only. This is a white light. It is passed through a slit only. Okay, then this light can be passed through what here? A beam of light. This is a beam of light only. This beam of light can pass through the prism we have. What it is? This is a prism only. Then what happened here? The white light can be split into different types of the colors only. Okay, this is what we are calling as a spectrum only. So it contains what colors we have? V, I, B, Z, Y, O, R only. What colors? V means represents here violet, I indigo. This is a violet. I represents what? Indigo. B represents what here? Blue only. G represents green. Y represents yellow. O represents orange. R represents red only. So these colors we are observing: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Yesterday we discussed in the visible region only. In the visible region, observe the color from what? Violet to red colors we observed only. So these colors are we can take here: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So this is called as what? Spectrum only. The device which is used to record the spectrum is called spectrometer. Is called what? Spectrometer only. We have two types of the spectrums are there. One is continuous spectrum, one is a discontinuous spectrum only. The first one will take here continuous spectrum only. Continuous spectrum only. So what is continuous spectrum means? In this spectrum, the light one merges with another light without any gap only. The spectrum is one light merge with another light without any gap. That spectrum we are calling as what? Continuous spectrum only. What spectrum that is? Continuous spectrum only. The spectrum in which one light is merge with another light without any gap, is called as a continuous spectrum only. If you take the sunlight, in the sunlight all colors are merged with one light, all colors are merged with one another color, then it give what type of spectrum? It is give as continuous spectrum only. So what are the example for this continuous spectrum? We have to take here when ignited, you can take the metal rod or you can take any object only, light emitted from the incandescent object only. Example you can take here, light emitted from incandescent material on or incandescent object, or you can take the material. So incandescent means here heating the substance only. If the compound is continuously heating, then give what type of the spectrum it give? It give a continuous spectrum only. This is regarding about the continuous spectrum only. And one more we have discontinuous spectrum only. Discontinuous spectrum. So what is meant by this discontinuous spectrum? So the next one we have discontinuous spectrum only. The spectrum having a distinct and well-defined lines with gap only. Distinct and well-defined lines with gap. That means what here? With gap means it will show some of the dark lines only. So it is called as a discontinuous spectrum only. Discontinuous spectrum. So we will define like this: continuous and what? Discontinuous. The spectrum in which one light is merged with another light without any gap. But in case of discontinuous spectrum, it is having some gaps are there. The gaps contain what here? Some distinct as well as well-defined lines with gaps only. This is the difference between what? Continuous spectrum and what? Discontinuous spectrum only. So the next one we have the classification of spectrum. The spectrum can be classified into two types. The first one we have absorption spectrum, and the next one we have emission spectrum on. Okay. Sorry, this emission spectrum again classified into two types we have. One is a line spectrum, and another one is a band spectrum on. Line spectrum and what ma? Band spectrum on. So here absorption and emission is there. Suppose when a light falls on the substance, some of the wavelengths are absorbed and some of the wavelengths are emitted on. So some of the wavelengths are absorbed means in that some wavelengths are absorbed by the substance only, and some of the wavelengths are absorbed after some time. What happened here? They can be emitted only. So absorption takes place and what? Emission takes place only. Suppose electron is there. If electron is there, this is a lower orbit only, or you can say in the form of at lower energy. At lower energy. Whenever the electron absorb energy, so here electron, what happened here? Electron is there. This is a lower orbit state, or you can say lower energy state, or you can call it as also ground state. Also you can call it ground state also. Here, if the electron in the ground state, it absorbs some energy. Okay, then the electron jumped into what? Electron jumped into here higher orbit only. Higher orbit, or you can say higher energy orbit, or you can say excited state only. This is the ground state. This is what? Excited state. Okay, this is what? Lower orbit. This is what? Higher orbit. It is lower energy. This is what? Higher energy only. When electron come from lower orbit to the higher orbit, the electron cannot stay long time at this higher orbit only. Why here? The higher orbit is highly unstable only. Higher orbit is what? Highly unstable only. Whenever the higher orbit is highly unstable, the electrons again come back from higher orbit to what? Lower orbit only. So like this the electron is coming. So whenever the electron present in the higher orbit is always, I told, unstable only, that again it come to what? Lower energy state. The difference in the energy is emitted in the form of radiation only. In the form of which one? Radiation. Generally this is the process will be takes place during absorption and what? Emission only. Clear? Understood all of you? Now we can say what is here absorption spectrum only. We will discuss regarding about absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum is there. Means what here? If you take the substance in any sample tube, it will be recorded the spectrum. Then you can identify what spectrum you will get. You will get a absorption spectrum only. Here source is there. This is the white beam of light only. You can say here a beam of light only. This beam of light can be passed through the sample. It is. This is a sample only. In that sample you can imagine any substance is there. Okay, then it can be passed with through small slit only. Then it can be again passed through this Nicol prism only. Here the spectrum obtained like this only. Okay, so generally this is the process. Light passed through the sample, and the sample of the light can be passed through a small slit. It can be passed through what? Prism, and that light can be observed on the photographic plate. You will get what spectrum here? You will get a absorption spectrum only. You can imagine here the absorption spectrum can be present like this. It is a bright surface only. This imagine is a dark lines are there. This is what lines? This is a dark lines. So the surface is what here? This is a bright background, or you can say this is a bright background. Okay, what I told here, a beam of light can pass through the substance, and the spectrum was absorbed by the white light again passed through the prism. Then the spectrum is obtained on the photographic plate. You will get what spectrum? Absorption spectrum only. So how can you define this spectrum here? The spectrum obtained by transmitted light after absorption. Spectrum obtained by transmitted light after absorption is called absorption spectrum only. Is called absorption spectrum only. This is the light spectrum obtained transmit light after what absorption. The spectrum what we are calling the spectrum we are calling as a absorption spectrum only. It contains, what is the next point we have, already I draw the diagram here. It contains what lines dark lines. It contains dark lines on bright background only. It contains dark lines on a bright background only. So one more here, why these dark lines are observed on the spectrum? The dark lines is observed on the spectrum because absorption of the some of the wavelengths only. Dark lines due to absorption of some of the wavelengths. Some wavelengths only. So generally it is a continuous spectrum or discontinuous spectrum. Here some gaps are there. It is comes under what? It is a discontinuous spectrum only. It is a discontinuous. It is a discontinuous spectrum only. This is regarding about which one absorption spectrum. So dark lines on bright background only. So this is regarding about which one absorption spectrum only. So the next one we have emission spectrum only. What is meant by emission spectrum means here the spectrum is obtained by emission of the radiation only. The spectrum obtained by emission of radiation. Emission of radiation only. Why the emission of radiation takes place? Because due to the excitation of electrons only. Emission due to excitation of electrons. Excitation of electrons only. So what is the spectrum we are getting only? So this is the spectrum only. This is the spectrum. You can imagine this is a dark background is there. In this dark background here some bright lines are appears only. Okay, so imagine here this is the bright line. You can imagine here this is one of the bright line. So here you can see here this is one of the bright line. So we can see this is a bright line only. So these are what? These are bright line. Bright line, it is what background? This is a dark background only. Bright lines on dark background only. Okay, in the spectrum here the spectrum which contains bright lines on dark background. Bright lines on dark background only. So it is also what type of spectrum means here also some of the gaps are there in this spectrum. So this is comes under what? This is also what? Discontinuous spectrum only. So this is regarding about what emission spectrum only. So here classification discussed spectra, emission spectrum, absorption spectrum, and the next one we have again emission spectrum again classified into what? Two types only. The first one we have line spectrum and the next one we have band spectrum only. So the next one we have the emission spectrum again classified into two types. The first one is line spectrum and the second one is what? Band spectrum only. So we have to discuss with regarding about this line spectrum only. So generally light spectrum it is given by atoms. It is given by atoms. It is also called as atomic spectrum. It is also called as atomic spectrum. This is also called as what? Atomic spectrum only. So here what happened here? Emission means what here happened? excitation and what ma de-excitation of electrons. Electron go to the higher energy state, electron again come to the lower energy state. This is excitation, this is what de-excitation only. What you can observe here, it is formed due to excitation and de-excitation of electrons. Excitation and what ma de-excitation of the electrons only. So generally, what are the examples you have to take for this? Generally, what type of lines are there? It contains sharp distinct lines only. It contains sharp distinct lines. It contains sharp distinct lines only. So what are the examples for this compounds which give line spectrum only? Mainly noble gases and the metal vapors only. Noble gases and metal vapors, they give what type of spectrum? They will give line spectrum only. If we take the sodium vapors, if we take that sodium vapors we have, they give two type of the wavelengths we have. One is 5896 angstrom unit and one more here 5890 angstrom units only. This is 5896 and this is 5890 angstrom unit. This is the for the sodium vapors only. If the sodium vapor they will show a sharp distinct lines at what wavelengths we have, 5896 and what ma 5890 angstrom units only. This is regarding about which one ma line spectrum only. And see the next one we have band spectrum. Band spectrum only. Clear? So generally, which type of compound give band spectrum means? Band spectrum is given by the molecules only. It is given by molecules. It is given by molecules. It is also called as molecular spectrum. It is also called as what ma? Molecular spectrum only. And one more point, it is formed due to vibrational and rotational energies. It is formed due to vibrational and rotational energies of atoms only. Atoms in a molecule. Atoms in a molecules only. Here you can see it contains what lines? It contains only sharp distinct light. In case of which one? Line spectrum only. So band spectrum mainly contains closely spaced lines only. It contains closely spaced lines which are called bands only. Which are called what ma? Bands only. If you see the molecule spectrum like this, these are called as a bands only. You can see the bands can be present like this. This is one band. This is another band, you can imagine. This is another band. Like this, what is formed here? Bands are formed like this only. Okay. And what are the example for this bands only? Here what you are taking? Noble gas and what here? Metal atoms you are taking. Here examples are hot metals and non-metals in a molecular state only. Hot metals and non-metals in a molecular state. This is regarding about what ma? Band spectrum only. Let us compare here one. It is given by atom, it is given by the molecules. It is also called as atomic spectrum. It is also called as molecular spectrum. It is due to the excitation and de-excitation of electron. It is due to what? Vibrational rotational energy of the atoms only. Whenever the atoms will undergo what here? undergo emissions. What happened here? Some electrons will be excitation will be takes place between the atoms. What is some vibrations will be takes place, some rotation will be takes place. That can be observed in case of which one? Band spectrum only. Next, it contains a sharp distinct lines. It contains closely spatial lines. We are calling as a bands only. Clear? Line spectrum lines are there, band spectrum, so bands are there. Example we have noble gas or metal vapors. Okay, and here what here hot metals and what non-metals in what molecular state. So this is regarding about line spectrum and what band spectrum only. So the next one we have hydrogen spectrum, very important we have only. So how can you identify this hydrogen spectrum? Means here when hydrogen gas is heated, and emitted radiations are passed through the Nicol prism only. So we will get a sharp distinct lines on the photographic plate only. Hydrogen gas is heated, the emitted radiations can be passed through the prism. After observing the prism, what are you observing? A sharp distinct lines is formed on the photographic plate only. Okay, so why these sharp distinct lines are formed only? Here whenever you can apply that high temperature, or you can take the high temperature, or you can say the gas is heated, that hydrogen molecules are split into atoms only. So whenever the hydrogen molecule can be split into atoms, these hydrogen atoms absorb energy, they can go to the higher energy state only. Okay, already told you, when the higher energy state is always unstable, then again the atoms again come to what ground state by emitted in the form of radiations only. The difference in the energy emitted in the form of what radiations only. So whenever the hydrogen molecule undergo this emission of the radiation, it will give 5 important lines. So series only. Those are Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, bracket series, and what Fund series only. We have to know how the series numbers are there, how which series belong to which region and all. We'll discuss regarding about this hydrogen spectrum only. So what you're doing initially, when hydrogen gas is heated, when hydrogen gas is heated, when hydrogen gas is what heated, and emitted radiations are passed through emitted radiations, and emitted radiations are passed through what Nicol prism. Passed through prism. Then what you are observing, you are getting a sharp distinct lines are observed only. It gives sharp distinct lines only. Sharp distinct lines we are observing. This is the first point I already told you. So this is called as what here? This is called hydrogen emission spectrum only. This is called as hydrogen emission spectrum only. Here what happened here? This hydrogen gas you are taking, hydrogen in the form of which one? The molecule only. The molecule can be split into what? Atoms only. Here what happened here? And the atoms are there, I will write here, hydrogen atom absorb energy. Absorb energy. Whenever the hydrogen atom absorb energy, then what happened here? Electrons are jumped from what? Lower orbit to the higher orbit. Electrons are jumped from lower orbit to higher orbit. Lower orbit to what higher orbit. You know already this higher orbit is always what? Highly unstable. So they can come to what? Ground state only. Higher orbit is what unstable. Higher orbit what unstable. Then what happened here? The electrons are again come back from high unstable. Electrons are come back to ground state or lower orbit. Lower orbit. The difference in energy emitted as a radiation only. Emitted as what ma? Radiations only. This is the process will be explained when hydrogen molecule undergo what here? Emission undergo what here? Absorption after what? Emission only. So here what happened here? The hydrogen spectrum, okay, difference is there. The difference in the energy emitted in the form of what? Radiations. You can see here some lines are formed in this hydrogen spectrum. So hydrogen spectrum contains how many series of the lines means here? Hydrogen spectrum contains 5 series of lines only. So after identifying the spectrum of hydrogen, so we will get a sharp distinction emitted as a lines only. That lines we are calling as the 5 series of the lines. What are the 5 series of the lines we have? Means here you can see Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series, and one more we have Fund series one. These are the 5 series you have to observe in what ma? Hydrogen spectrum only. Only which series is visible for our naked eye means here only Balmer series is what? Visible for us naked eye. Remaining series we cannot say easily only. Now we can see the series I am writing here. So this is what the series we have. This is the series is there. I will write here N1 value and N2 value, and I am writing here this is a region only. A region where it is region. You see the first series we have. The first series we have Lyman series. N1 value is 1, N2 value we have 2, 3, 4 and so on. 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is belongs to which region in the spectrum means here ultraviolet only. What series ma? Ultraviolet. This is the first series only. Lyman series N1 value is 1 and N2 value we have 2, 3, 4 and so on. Where the region it is? Ultraviolet region only. And next one we have Balmer series only. N1 value 2, N2 value we have 3, 4, 5 and so on. This is present in what region ma? Visible region only. Very important, this region is visible for us. Okay, Lyman, Balmer after what ma here? Paschen series only. N1 value 3, N2 value we have 4, 5, 6 and so on. So you can write here this is IR only. Paschen after what series we have? Brackett series. This is a bracket series only. This is 4. You will write here 5, 6 and so on. This is also you can say IR only. And the last series we have Fund series only. This is a Fund series here. P is silent here. So you will write 5 we have. This is 6, 7, 8 and so on. This is also becomes what here? IR region only. Very important. This is a table. Series with N1 value, N2 value and what I told here, region also very important. We may be expect one of the question, the objective from this series we can expect on. So okay, listen once again. Lyman series N1 value 1, N2 value may be 2, 3, 4 and so on only. So 2, 3 means here possibility 2, 2, 1 here, 3, 2, 1 and 4, 2, 1. Possibilities I am telling. It belongs which region? UV means what? Ultraviolet only. Balmer series N1 value 1, N2 value 3, 4, 5 means 3, 2, 2. 4 to 2, 5 to 2 means electron jump from third line to the N1 here, 2 here, 4th to 2 or 5th to 2 only. Here what reason here? Visible region only. This is only visible for us. Next Paschen series we have N1 is equal to 3, N2 4, 5, 6, 4 to 3, 5 to 3, 6 to 3. This is the IR only. So here 5 to 4, what series is? Bracket series N1 value is 1, N2 value 5, 6, 7, 5 to 4, 6 to 4, 7 to 4, this is what? IR only. Next Fund series we have 5, this is 6, 7, 8, N2 value 6, 7, 8, N1 value 5 only, 6 to 5, 7 to 5, 8 to 5, it is also belongs to what ma? IR region. So these are the regions and series with N1 value and what ma? N2 value. Hydrogen spectrum observed how many lines here? We have 5 series of the lines. Those 5 series, Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series and what? Fund series only. See IR I wrote here 3 IR only, but one is near IR, very close to IR, and one is IR, one is far IR only. Now we can see already I wrote the series here, 5 series. Lyman series you can see, Lyman series N1 is equal to 1. What is the N2 value we have? N2 value 2, 3, 4 and so on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on up to infinity is there. Lyman series. Balmer series N1 value how much here? 2 only. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 3 to 6, 3 to 7, 3 to infinity. Now Paschen series we have N1 is equal to 3. 3 to 4 is, this is 3 to 5, this is 3 to 6, this is 3 to 7, and you can take this one what? Infinity series only. Now the bracket series you can say. Bracket series what is the N1 value? 4 is there, 4 to 5 one possibility, 4 to 6 is there, 4 to 7 is there, and 4 to infinity is there. Come to the fun series what we have? N1 value how much? 5 we have. So 5 to 6, 5 to 7 and 5 to infinity only. So this is the hydrogen spectrum, different types of the series we have. So here I am taking a Balmer series only. For the Balmer series N1 is equal to, N2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on is there. So possibilities what here? Electron may be jump from 3 to 2. Or here 4 to 2 possibilities there, 5 to 2 possibilities there, and one more we have 6 to 2 possibilities there. Suppose if the electron jumps from here N2 3 to 2, this is called as a H alpha only. And the second line you are calling as what? H beta. This is what here? H gamma, and this is called as what? H delta only. Means what here? If the first line is there, you can take that is H alpha line. Second line you are calling as a H beta line in the Balmer series, or H gamma you can take the third line only, and fourth line you are talking as what here? H delta line only. Okay, if we take this one alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 is there. This is H alpha, this is H beta, this is H gamma, this is what? H delta 1. So we can write both wavelength and what? Energies for this one. If we take the lambda, lambda you can take here H alpha greater than, H beta greater than, H gamma greater than, H delta we have. If we take energy inversely proportional to wavelength or not? Yes. You will get H alpha less than, H beta less than, you will write here H gamma less than what? H delta only. Suppose they give the wavelength of this alpha line, beta line and gamma line is there. You can base it on that, you can identify easily. Here the values are given. The value of H alpha is given here. This is 6563 angstrom units only, and one more we have is given 4863 we have. This is 4863 angstrom units, and the next line is also given here 4340. This is 4340 angstrom units, and one more the last value we have 4100 angstrom units only. You can imagine based on this I wrote wavelength, and next I will write what? Energy only. So this is regarding about the Balmer series. H alpha line means what? First line, H beta second line, H gamma third line, and H delta we have what? Fourth line in what series? Balmer series only. So the next one, this table is also important. Line number and N2 is equal to N1 plus line number only. Imagine I took this Balmer series only. Balmer series, you know, N1 value how much? 1 only. And N2 value we have, sorry, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on you are taking. H alpha line, if we get one line, the transition takes place from what? 3 to 2. This means 3 to 2 only. How many spectral lines are formed here? One line only. That I am writing N2 is equal to N1 plus line number. N1 plus 1 it is. This is line number only. Come to the H beta, we have 2. Transition takes place from what? 4 to 2 we have. How many lines are there? 2. This is N1 plus 2. And H gamma, you see, what you can say here, 5 to 2 is there. 5 to 2 difference how many lines here? 3 lines, that is N1 plus 3. Next H delta, 4 is there, 6 to 2 transition takes place, then you are getting N1 plus 4 only. 5, 7 to 2, this is you are writing N1 plus 5 only. And one more important point, you can see very important point here. If the N2 value is taken as an infinity, N2 value taken as an infinity is called as what? Limiting line only. Limiting line. The wavelength which is observed at the limiting line is called as limiting wavelength only. So limiting line having what here, shorter wavelength only. In any question they given shorter wavelength, that n2 value how much, infinitive only. And the next one we have longer wavelength. Longer wavelength is what, n1 plus 1 line only. So this n1 plus 1 line having longer wavelength, come to write here n2 value up to infinitive, that we are calling as what, shorter wavelength only. So these are the very important, this table and this two formulas are important for the objective purpose only. The remaining topic you can discuss in the next episode.